Because if you think you can get something for nothing, without work, without investment of time, without investment of love, without what's called white knuckling it, then you're not going to get anywhere. Because the thing is, you can have the intention, but you do have to work to manifest it, okay? And that what happens is then when we work, we start to become entitled, that we then think that we're waiting. Once again, we're not really working, we're waiting. We pretend to work, but we just kind of like do some movements and then we wait. There's actually one of my teachers wrote, one of the teachings was, I was always chasing after success, and it never came after me, because I was always looking over my shoulder. Now, the thing is with that is that if you're looking over your shoulder, that's a metaphor for I'm waiting. But if you chase after success and you're not looking over your shoulder, if it's catching up with you or not, then it will find you quicker. And I probably like slaughtered the story, but it doesn't matter. The point is that it's like, if you keep looking over your shoulder, if you keep looking for the validation, know that what you're doing is that you're waiting, and then you're pushing yourself back. You have to wait more. And this is the problem with us trying to shorten things. The way we shorten things is not by waiting and looking for things, but by going through the process, paying our dues, and actually doing it, okay? Okay, so we need the faith. Otherwise, what will happen, and I'm not saying the other way doesn't work. You can wait, and you can look over your shoulder, and you can go into what's called that competitive mindset and looking at what everyone else has and what everyone else is doing. And you can be successful that way as well. But what happens is that when you do that, when you achieve it, it will what you manifest will be void of light. You will be without fulfillment. You will be without fulfillment. That's what happens. So would you rather achieve everything and be fulfilled, or would you achieve some things and not be fulfilled? Okay? That's the question we have to ask ourselves, because it will lack the fulfillment of the manifestation and it will become empty. And what happens is that we will see it. Maybe we will see it. It will feel validated. I got the job. I got the money. I got the contract. I got the deal. I got the partner. Whatever it is, we will see it. It will be verified. But what does it really mean? What happens, right? Then what? Right? They are filled with something. And then what's next? Right? Maybe we feel right. I did it my way. I didn't need to do it this. I didn't need to do it that way. I had to do it my way, right? And I'm not saying that's not okay, but what I'm saying is that if you find yourself in a place where you've manifested and you're without the real fulfillment, without really feeling good and that you've leveled up beyond the material, then ask yourself, and if you're asking yourself, what's next? Then think about this. You want to do it with fulfillment. Because what happens is that we're only validated for a moment. We're only reassured for a moment, and then we're going right back into the waiting. Right back into, oh my God, was it a one-trick pony? Was it a one-time, a one-hit wonder? Can I do it again? Or am I now a has-been, right? This is what happens. So it's a dichotomy, because we know we are worth more than what we do.